The 4K Dual Dashcam D2 offers impressive video quality with a 4K front camera and a 1080p cabin camera, ensuring clear footage in various lighting conditions. This dashcam is equipped with infrared night vision, enhancing its ability to record in low-light situations, which is ideal for capturing detailed images at night. With a wide-angle lens, the front camera can capture up to 4 traffic lanes, providing comprehensive coverage of the road ahead. The included 64 gigabyte memory card and loop recording feature ensure you will not run out of storage space, while the G sensor locks important videos during collisions. An innovative parking monitor feature activates recording upon detecting motion or a collision, which is invaluable for capturing evidence of incidents when parked. Easy installation is guaranteed with the adjustable suction cup and adhesive mounts, and the product comes with lifetime customer support and an 18-month warranty.